Welcome back, food enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting topic for you: budget-friendly cooking. We all want to eat healthy, but sometimes it can be hard on our wallets. Well, worry no more. In this video, we'll share 5 delicious and nutritious recipes that won't break the bank. So let's dive right in. First up, we have a mouth-watering lentil and vegetable soup. Packed with protein and fiber, this soup will keep you full and satisfied. Plus, it's super affordable, thanks to the humble lentils and a variety of veggies. A win-win for your wallet and taste buds. Next on our list is a classic chickpea salad with Mediterranean flavors. Chickpeas are an excellent source of plant-based protein, and when combined with fresh veggies and a tangy dressing, it's a match made in culinary heaven. Not only will your taste buds thank you, but so will your bank account. Moving on, we have a comforting sweet potato and black bean chili. This recipe is not only hearty and flavorful, it's also incredibly cost-effective. Black beans are an affordable source of protein, while sweet potatoes add a touch of natural sweetness. Who said eating healthy had to cost a fortune? Now, let's talk pasta. Our fourth recipe is a delicious and creamy spinach and ricotta stuffed shells. You won't believe how simple it is to make this budget-friendly dish. With just a few ingredients, like spinach, ricotta, and tomato sauce, you can create a restaurant-worthy meal right at home. Last, but certainly not least, we have a versatile vegetable stir-fry. This recipe allows you to use up any leftover veggies in your fridge, making it an excellent choice for reducing food waste and saving money. And with the flavorful sauce drizzled over colorful vegetables, it's a feast for both your eyes and your wallet. Remember, cooking on a budget doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or nutrition. Whether you choose the lentil and vegetable soup, the chickpea salad, the sweet potato and black bean chili, the spinach and ricotta stuffed shells, or the vegetable stir-fry, you can't go wrong. So let's start saving money while enjoying delicious and healthy meals together. Thanks for watching, folks. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more budget-friendly recipes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Happy cooking and saving, everyone!